Hey guys, we're here at Gridlife at the beautiful Gingerman Raceway. Not very beautiful today, but we're here for the Rev-up Fest. I guess it's not the fest, but it's the beginning of the year for Gridlife. We're doing time attack. We're street front wheel drive, though they don't class the drivetrains anymore. But yeah, we've done one session and the car is running great, and we're hopefully gonna have a good weekend and hopefully, yeah, come home with a trophy. It's looking pretty good right now. So yeah, not too much has changed for this year as of last year. Everyone has noticed that we're back to the stock intake, but we're not really. We're running their intake Lite, which just came out. But anyways, and then Downpipe intercooler. I'm on a kind of like a lower boost stage shoe tune, just so I don't blow up. And then the biggest thing is we did camber and caster bushings. So we got a little bit more camber out of it, not a crazy amount. It's like -3.2 front, 2.7 rear, 0 toe. And yeah, the biggest thing I guess is we went to, we're still on the 18x9.5s, ET45. But the bigger thing is we were able to fit two 65, 35, 18s on there. So we got the new RE71 RSs, which straight up are about a second faster than RT660s. They feel they're fast. They're fast tires for sure. Yeah. They're definitely like wearing a little bit faster, but again, they're worth like a second at least. Yeah, no rubbing. Again, it's in like the lightest condition possible. It's a 150-pound driver, manual, lightweight wheels, battery. So the results may vary, but I'm actually super happy with it. Like I thought it would at least like rub like on the on camber corners and stuff like that. It doesn't rub anywhere. At least I can't hear it, and I definitely can't. You can't see it. You can't like feel it or anything like that. So I think we're good. It's a 2-day event, and basically it's a traditional time attack format. So you basically take your best time for the 2 days. Doesn't matter what session, and that's your time. You compete in classes. There's like 6 or 7 different classes.
If you guys remember last year, we were actually at Gingerman for an SCCA event. This time around, plain and simple, fastest time takes it.
Also, I apologize. My GoPro, it gave your banner a little hickey.
Damn it, dude. It looked perfect other than that. Oh yeah, so it was pretty good. We just got back from session number 2. It's pretty, it's chaotic in a good way. A lot of the drivers are great. And as far as I did a 142.1. Which, as of right now, I'm in the lead for overall street by about 2 seconds. I would like to get I would like to be in the flat 40s. I think I can. It's just there's traffic and traffic and traffic, so I actually almost got screwed in that last flyer as well. Anyways, though, car did really good. I'm going to check the hot side boost pipe. I've been checking that every session because it's been giving me issues.
If you guys remember, this is actually the same issue we faced last year. We ended up talking to some companies, and they might actually make a fix in the future. The last half of the day was composed of 2 sessions, with track conditions for session 3 being too hot. It was up to session 4 to try to secure us a fast time.
As you can see, we're closing out for today. Day 1 done in the books. Where we're at, the car did great. So we finished out with a 41.76, which is actually my PR here. I've been in the 41s, but yeah, so 41.76. We are second in class right now with all drivetrains. There is one 350Z that's ahead of us, and then there's a GR Corolla that is close behind. So it's gonna actually be a pretty close fight. We're within 0.8 seconds or so. And we're definitely really equal drivers. I actually talked to him, he's super cool dude. So yeah, we're gonna go into it tomorrow, and to be perfectly honest, it could go either way. So we're gonna have to definitely be on it. Car's doing great, super happy with it. That it's in the best phase it's ever been in. So it feels great. And it's fast, it's been reliable. Yeah, it's been really good. So yeah, we're gonna hit it tomorrow and see if we can't bring home a trophy. Same as yesterday.
Yeah, okay.
I told Patrick he's gonna get below like 40. And he's like, Brenda, I don't know.
So Brenda,
Yes.
what do you think of this whole like racing thing?
It's cool.
Yeah.
Lots of loud cars. Lots of smoke, I've noticed.
Yeah, there's actually
A lot of burning fuel.
There's a lot of cars braking.
Do you feel the competitive spirit, Brenda?
I do. I'm scared of everyone who's walking around.
We have track quiet hours because it's Sunday, I guess, and it's very church heavy around here, I think. And we are going to go out of the track and just see downtown South Haven. After we got back from visiting South Haven, it was time for the last real session to hold on to a podium. In first place, there was a 350Z that was way far ahead of everyone in the class. And right behind Will was a brand new modified Corolla GR that was about to try its absolute hardest to put down a faster time than Will. With the last session over, it was time to see if Will was able to hold on to his first Gridlife time attack podium.
And with a 141.761,
Right, I think
Elantra.
Keep it a little tighter. There we go. Good job, guys. Yeah, take it easy. Everyone came home with a trophy in our group, so we won second in street class of all drivetrains, first in front-wheel drive. It was down to the wire. I mean, literally the last session. So genuinely good racing. But yeah, no, car did really good. We started out, I guess, a little slow, but so did everyone else. Yesterday was a bit faster than today. It's just too hot right now. But yeah, no, we took home a trophy. The wheel and tire package did great. It's still never rubbed. So yeah, in lightweight cars, you can do the 18 by 9.5 with 265s. 6-element stage 2 tune worked out really well. Had no issues with that. The only issues we had ever was the hot pipe coming off. I literally straight up have been checking it every single session. That's annoying. And then we're at the limits of the stock pads now, finally. Did light them on fire a little bit. So yeah, for next time, we're gonna try to figure out a hot pipe solution. track pads, and then come back and try to, you know, keep winning them. We won some points, so yeah, now we gotta keep going to Gridlife events. And also, I want to thank the Gridlife people. This is such a good run event. Everyone's super cool. I didn't meet one bad person on or off track, and it's organized so much better than SXTH time trials. So yeah, would highly recommend. If you haven't done one, go out and just even if it's an HPD, just run with the Gridlife crew. They're pretty sweet. So yeah, cool, good, great.